Hello everyone, Namaskara. We are started from Nubra Valley. The stay was amazing and wonderful. Heading to Siachen base camp. It is an Indian Army base camp located in the Nubra Valley of Ladakh. To and fro we are expected 150 kilometers, and today we are going to stay in Panamic village. See, Siachen is one of the military operation in this region. Tourism recently allowed in the region, even though civilians are not permitted to go all the way inside the army base. Super Guru. We have to salute Indian Army. We spent wonderful time in Nubra Valley and excited to see Siachen base camp and OP Baba temple. We will fill the petrol of all our bikes in Kalsar. Let me tell you about how to go to Siachen base camp and the route that you will need to follow whenever you visit Leh Ladakh. It's ideally from the Leh city, but we are started from Nubra Valley as everyone suggests. You will first have to reach any of the Nubra town from the Leh and stay there for a night. On the day 2 you will make a day trip to Siachen base camp and return back to Nubra Valley and stay there. We are also started from the Nubra Valley. The journey can take we are just thinking between 6 to 8 hours returning to Panamic village depending on our speed. So keeping in mind we have to manage the time as well as the time break what we have going to take. Without the fuel, petrol cannot ride, and we all have a limited capacity fuel tank in our bikes. We are using Himalayan bikes for this ride. The mileage of the vehicles also decreases in harsh terrain like Ladakh, where hills are not the only thing that results in the low fuel efficiency, but rough or non-existent roads, refined oxygen, just guessing. Most of the time the riding in low gears, hence overall the bike mileage reduces. So petrol is very important part here for us. So also planning to carry spare petrol with a based on the distance we will be riding. In case we may run out of fuel on any of these roads, we can also try villages on the routes where we may find the black petrol sold by the villagers. Of course, highly likely with the quality we have to compromise, which can be handy in such cases. One thing I want to highlight here, there is no special permit needed to visit the base camp. Your inner liner permits procedure of visiting Nubra Valley will stand valid for a trip to the base camp as well. One thing to note here is that you still cannot visit the actual army base camp. Tourists are allowed only to the OP Baba temple, which is located at about 2 to 3 kilometers from the army base camp. As we heard from one of the soldier, you cannot go any further than that road. This is restricted area, and we have to follow the soldiers whatever this. As soon as they fill the petrol, we'll start to Siachen base camp. ಬಂದ್ರಪ್ಪ, ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಕೈಯೆಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ದಗ 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 ಅಂತ ಉರಿತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ಕೈ ಉರಿತಾ ಇದೆ ಎದ್ದಾಗಿಂದ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಮೇ ಬಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಹೀಟ್ ಆರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಟೂ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್. Slowly we are adjusting to the weather. Hope for the best. we have started only 6 members. Our dear friend Lokesh did not join. He has some important work to be completed. So we only 6 of them. We traveled from Nubra to Siachen now. So Lokesh will join in Panamic. He will reach before us and will stay back there and will wait for us. And we'll all go to Panamic Hot Spring after reaching Panamic village with Lokesh. Wow, I like this terrain. We have full of time. Currently we are expecting 6 to 7 hours since morning we are riding, and I feel we are going to reach in the evening only, because at the same time we have planned the Panamic Hot Spring in one of the beautiful place we supposed to visit. Time management is one of the major part in such trips, everyone knows. One of the nice post I really liked it. Check your nerves on my curves. Wow, what a wording. Eco Buddha and we just explore how is Eco Buddha is recently opened here and looking very beautiful. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಚಂದ್ರ ಆಯ್ತು ರೈಡು ಸೂಪರ್ ರೈಡಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತಾ ಮಜಾ ಬಂತು ಮುಗಂದಾಗ ಮಜಾ ಬಂತು ಒಂದು ವಿಷ್ಣು ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಮುಗಂದಾಗ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯ್ತು and we just explore how is Eco Buddha is recently opened here and looking very beautiful. We'll just go there, explore, have some photo session, and we'll again pass through Panamic and we'll reach Siachen base camp. Let's explore Eco Buddha. Taken the blessing from Buddha Eco Park in the Nubra region near Somuru village. As they mentioned in the park inaugurated message, that here also highlighted the commitment of the new UT. Recently it's been renamed as Leh Ladakh UT. UT it's like union territory in developing the basic necessities including road, electricity, drinking water, telecommunication, health facilities, etc. They are improving day by day, what they say. I can also say when we come 2019 there are many places they don't have road, electricity, especially in the Nubra where we stay in the night there was no electricity, and many places there was completely off road, there was no road. I really appreciate Leh Ladakh, such a wonderful road and amenities which they are going to provide us. I really thankful to them. So we are heading towards to Siachen. Let me continue what Siachen is. So first of all, let me begin with some information on what exactly Siachen is. The Siachen Glacier is located in the East Range in the Himalayas, just northeast of the point where the line of control between India and Pakistan ends. Superb. Sia in the Balti language refers to a rose family plant widely in this region. So I can see many roses here. The name Siachen refers to the land with a plenty of roses. That's why I can see when I'm passing so many villages, in front of many villages, they having a plants of roses and which various colors, and some places I see very big bloomed roses. Siachen is the second longest in the world non-polar areas. The entire Siachen glacier with all major passes, I can say, is currently under the administration of India since 1984. We'll see a beautiful signboards by Himangs. It's mentioned in the signboard, darling, I like you but not so fast. Super Ola, what a wordings. So most importantly, however, at an altitude of 18,875 feet, it's now the world's highest battleground is a Siachen. So I really blessed to visit such a place. It is an active battle zone where India and Pakistan forces remain engaged in a conflict all 12 months. More soldiers have died at Siachen from the harsh weather conditions in this region. So Siachen for us, it is not an adventurous place, not a tourist spot, or not where tourists are alone. It's just a place where you go just for a challenge or explore more Siachen, where you can run great risk. I see some place, it's mentioned over speed is a knife that cut a life. ಎಂತ ಮಾರಾಯ, ಸೋಲ್ಜರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಾದರೂ ತಿನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಬಾಯ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ಫುಲ್ ಟು ದೆಮ್. We stopped in a wet canteen. We had something like chenna. We have only had chenna. It's a plain chenna. We put few of the salt and pepper. It's really nice. We had enough water because here it's a dehydration issue. We should have plenty of water. I once again thank Indian soldiers who have saved our hunger as well as the water which they given, the love. I really liked it. Bolo Bharat Mata ki Jai. We have reached the Siachen base camp. There is an entry point. Our guys and are standing there. There is no drone zone also. Super right. Elappa idira ಗೆಳೆಯರೇ. Guys are waiting for us. I think we have to enter our bike numbers as well as our names here, I believe. Always our captain in front, he used to help us in all these entries before reaching us. So we have to do our entry and we have to mention finally reaching the base camp, feeling wonderful. Maybe 1.5 kilometers from inside the Siachen till the base camp. It is full of rugged as well as kind of off-roading. We almost reach. I can see there is some kind of military canteen. We have to stop there and move towards the temple as well as the war memorial. Park ಮಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗು. Siachen base camp people and soldiers, they are very helpful. The wonderful the ginger tea had in a base camp and visited the war memorial. Wonderful. And the Gopi Baba temple, my God, such an I can see there are wonderful bridges across this region. Why I wanted to highlight here, because earlier such kind of bridges was not there. We used to cross the water. The water used to 2 feet 3 kilometer, 2 to 3 feet. We used to cross the water to cross the Shayok river. So later on, the day by day, the Leh Ladakh tourism has improved. The many places they have come with their bridges. Many places I see there is no concrete bridges. The steel bridges are more, and it's take lot of time. I really appreciate UP of Leh Ladakh to come with such an initiative. With the journey of Siachen, the highest battlefield in the world, the Leh Ladakh feature most of the world highest motorable pass with the spectacular BC of snow-capped mountains. Wow, wonderful. ಒಂಥರ ಮೈ ಅಂತ ಹಂಗೆ ರೋಮಾಂಚನ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು. I really admired Captain goes like a rocket. We are just following him. So finally reached the pandemic. ಅದ್ಭುತ ಸಾಧನೆ. ಗೇಟ್ ತೆಗೀರಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಶ್ವಥ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮೊದಲಾಗಿ ಇಳಿದು ಹೋಗಿ ಗೇಟ್ ತೆಗೆದಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಶ್ವಥ್. ತೆಗೀರಪ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್. ವಾವ್, ವಂಡರ್ಫುಲ್.